is Suzanne. Today I am going to show you my clock. Here is my clock, and here are the numbers, and under it are the minutes. 5, here 10, 15, 20, and then after it, the 5. And here are the clockwise. If you want it like 9:15, you do this. You put the big one on the 3, and you put the small one on the 9. 9:15. 15 is under the 3. I hope you liked it. Bye!
Hello grade 3, this is Time 2 Minutes Part 2. And to help you to comprehend this lesson perfectly well, I started to make another video for you for more or extra explanation. Okay? Please stay focused, stay tuned, stay with me. Okay, let's revise. How many hands do we have for any clock? We have 2 hands. The short hand, which refers to hours. We have 24 hours per day. And the minutes hand, which is the long hand, which refers to the minutes, and we have 60 minutes per hour. So again, we have 24 hours per day, and we have 60 minutes per hour. So the clock is divided to what? Okay, you know that we have 24 hours per day. It is divided into 2 parts, 12 hours. 12 day hours and 12 night hours. So that's why the clock is divided to 12 numbers only. And regarding the 60 minutes, how are we divided into 12 numbers? By making each number consist of 5 marks for 5 minutes. So that's why every number has 5 marks and 5 minutes. And we skip counting by 5 to read the minutes. So again, we have 24 hours divided into 12 day hours, 12 night hours, and 12 numbers in the clock. But how we read the time? We have 2 different ways to read the time. We can use the words before or after, or in some cases, past and to. So it is the same. If you understood how to use before and after, you can use past and to. For example, like if I say 16 minutes after 1. 16 minutes after 1. The other way is the easiest way, but I will not start with it. Use numbers and colon. What is the colon? This is this simple 2 or double dot. Okay, so how we read it? We read it as it is. Just read the numbers. 10, 45 without saying colon. We don't say 10 colon 45. No, we say 10, 45. So that's why it's the easiest. Okay, let's start with before and after. If you look to me, this is me. Hello. I'm standing here above the clock. And that's the word after. And that's the word before. After means in front of. In front of. So every number in front of me, I will use the word after. Every minute in front of me, I will use the word after. Before, it's behind me. So before, it's behind. All the numbers behind my back. So after means in front of, before means behind. After, in front of, I'm looking to after. I'm not looking to before, so before is in my back. It's behind me. Okay, and how we read it? How we read the clock in that way? We read the minutes first. So first we read the minutes, then we use the word before and after, and finally we mention the hours. So we read the minutes first. We count how many minutes, then we say the word or put the word before or after, and finally we read the hours. So let's see an example. Okay, so lock this to this clock. I need to use the word after. So I'm standing here again. We read first the minutes. So starting from up, I'm standing there. I'm the 0 here. Then we skip counting every 5 until I reach the minute hand or the hours hand. If I'm reading the minutes, so I should stop at the minutes hand. So let's count, skip counting by 5 until I reach the minutes hand. So this is 5, 10, 15, 20. Then that's not a complete number here, so it's not a complete jump. I will skip counting every mark. This means every one. So after 20 it will be 21, 22, 23 minutes. So it is 23 minutes. So first I read the minutes, 23 minutes. Then after what? Look here at the hours hand. Is it, we said after means in front of. Is it in front of 1 or in front of 2? It's here between 1 and 2. So is it? I refer to the hours hand. Is it in front of 1 or in front of 2? It is in front of 1 and it is behind 2. So if I use the word after, I will see it is in front of what? It is in front of 1. So that's why I would say 1. So let's read it again. 23 minutes after 1. Okay, let's see look at this clock. So I'm standing here, I'm the 0 here. Then I will keep counting to see the behind numbers. Why I see the behind numbers? Because me here I want to use the word before, not after. So before all the numbers behind me. So that's why I will skip counting until I reach the minutes hand. So let's count. Let's keep counting. 5, then 10, another number. This is 15. Then after that small mark. So I will skip counting every 1 minute. So after 15, 16, then 17, and that's it. There is another way to count how many minutes. Okay, I said every number means 5 minutes. So in this case, I have here 1 number, 2 numbers, 3 numbers. We multiply 3 by 5 is 15. So we skip counting after 15, every one. So after 15, 16, then 17. So I can easily multiply just the how many numbers by 5. Okay, so again, back to our topic. I read here the minutes. So we have 17 minutes. We have to mention the word minutes. Then I used before. Before what? Look to the hours hand. It is between 2 and 3. So I want to use the word before. Before means behind. Is it behind the 3 or behind 2? If it's behind 2, it should be here. But it is behind 3. So that's why I use the word or the number 3, not 2. Because it is before means behind. It is behind the 3. That's why I said it's before 3. I hope that you understood. Go to the easiest part, how to read the clock in just numbers and use numbers and colon. Okay, if I have a clock here, okay, first we do the opposite. We should read the hours first, then the minutes. So how many hours do we have here? Okay, it is between 7 and 8. And the easiest part about this way that we read always the numbers in front of. So it is in front of 7. So that's why the hours here it's 7. And also in front of, we start here and we count all the numbers in front of the number 12. So we read to all the numbers to the right, or all the minutes to the right. That's why I skip counting every 5. So this is 5, 10, 15, 20, 23, 20, sorry, not 20, it's 30, 35. Or as we said, we can just count how many numbers. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and multiply it by 5. So 7 times 5 is 35. That's the number of minutes. So we read the hours, 7, and minutes is 35. How I write it? I write it as this form. 7, the hours first, colon, 35. And how I read it? I read it 7:35. I hope that you enjoyed my lesson and you understood it more perfectly. I love you so much. See you in the next video, and bye bye.